The biggest takeaways from any math or science class, you're learning how to think.
And we kind of touched upon this a little bit, but I will say I think one of the biggest struggles for parents is just a kid who comes up and says, I don't see the point of learning math, or I don't see the point of learning science. How do you get over that initial hump of, hey, kid, let's just try watching a science ed video, or maybe you don't even know yourself. Like, I don't know if I can fully articulate what the point of learning math is, I mean, so I'd love to hear if you had to address that question with your own children, or, how does a parent navigate that one?
I'm not going to force it on her, but at the same time, we would have conversations where I would try and explain there's just a basic level of literacy in both of these subjects that you need to have in order to maintain freedom of choice and options for yourself. If you completely shut down and say, well, I'm not going to learn any science, it's going to limit what you're able to do and what you're able to explore. And it's also going to make it so that you just don't understand as much of what's happening around you.
The biggest takeaways from any math or science class, you're learning how to think, you're learning to solve problems. And that particular child and many others were quick to give up when something gets hard, and they need to learn, oh, I can actually do hard things. I can take the time to master something that may not be enjoyable to me, but that actually wasn't nearly as bad as it seemed at first glance.
Mhm.
And any person who comes away from trying to learn something and has that sense of accomplishment, oh, I actually can do that thing that I perceived as difficult, like they have gained so much. And it opens up doors in all areas of life. And certainly, whether you're going to use that bit of math knowledge or science knowledge or any subject of knowledge, just the act of sitting down, grinding it out, and overcoming it, it is huge. It's a personal development thing that we all need to experience, and we need to experience it regularly because I think as people, we have that natural inclination to take the easy way out, and that usually doesn't serve us.